there, in this video I want to show you how to insert two SIM cards in your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. Let's get started. And as a first step, just take a look at its bottom part and you will see this SIM slot and this little hole near it. So you will need to take this ejector which goes in a complete with the device, or you can use another one or even a needle, but be careful so you won't damage this slot. Now you just need to insert it in this little hole and slightly press. So let me do it quickly. I'm just gonna press, and after that we will need to pull out this SIM slot. Just use your fingers to pull it out. Great. Now you can see two slots for two SIM cards. You just need to take your first SIM card. This is the first SIM slot, by the way, and just check whether angles matching on your SIM card with your SIM slot, and just put it like this. Now flip it like that and do just the same with the second one. And after that you will need to insert it back in your phone like that, but be careful with your SIM cards. And now we can just unlock the phone. At this point you will need to enter your SIM card's PIN if you have one, and make sure that the signal bar appears on the top of the screen, which indicates that your SIM cards are activated. Also, you can check it if you just open settings, then go in the connections tab. Here select SIM manager and check whether this information appears in this tab or not. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.